you have a pool, you need a way to keep it clean and fresh. Introducing Flippin Frog and Flippin Frog XL. Complete pool care for pools 2,000 to 10,000 gallons. Flippin Frog and Flippin Frog XL combine the bacteria-fighting properties of minerals along with a low, controlled dose of chlorine to make cloudy water a thing of the past, while saving you money. We call it fresh mineral water easy. It's cleaner because it kills bacteria 2 ways, using minerals and chlorine, but a lot less chlorine. Clearer by helping to keep the pH in line, and softer because minerals actually condition the water. It's easier too, with pre-filled cartridges for no mess, no guess, and no stress pool care. Here's how it works. There are 2 cartridges for each system. The top cartridge contains minerals and lasts for 6 months. The bottom cartridge contains chlorine and lasts 3 to 4 weeks, depending upon use. Just attach the 2 cartridges together. Set the dial to match your pool size using the chart in the manual, and tether it to the pool. When it flips upside down, it's time to replace the bottom chlorine cartridge with a new cartridge, available where you purchased your Flippin Frog. If the chlorine cartridge still has a small amount of chlorine inside, place it back in the pool. Or for Flippin Frog XL, hang it on the tether. You'll flip over Flippin Frog or Flippin Frog XL when you see how fresh and easy water care can be. Ask for it at your local pool professional. Flippin Frog and Flippin Frog XL are part of the Frog brand of EPA-registered water care system.